tier 1 silver. In 2021, okay, so they obtained drill permits and also did the sampling, which resulted 298 kilogram per ton silver. That's huge. That is 298 kilogram per silver. It's a huge, So so it has a very high grade silver deposit. Tier 1 Silver is an exploration company which has projects in Peru, and it has world class silver, gold and base metal deposits. Peru has a world class gold, silver and base metal deposits. The company has a lot of several exploration assets that include Hurricane, Coastal, Batholith, Corisar and the flagship project Curibaya. And their highlights include 1129 gram per ton silver and 1.04 gram per ton gold in a large interval of 7 meter of 272 gram per ton silver and 0.33 gram per ton gold. That's result of their recent drill program in 2021. So yeah, this is a very high grade project, and I am always interested in finding high grade silver and gold opportunities. This company is listed in at TSX Venture Exchange under the symbol TSLV, currently trading at 16 cents, and it's also traded at OTC market symbol TSLVF, trading at 13 cents. Let's take a look at their news and media. So we can see that the company was formerly called Orin Resources. It has been actively involved in drilling, finding resources in Peru. In 2021, okay, so they obtained drill permits and also did the sampling, which resulted 298 kilogram per ton silver. That's huge. That is 298 kilogram per silver. It's a huge, So so it has a very some sections of very high grade silver deposit, in some portions of the property. Okay, then let's see what happened after that. Yeah, okay. Then again they did channel sampling, which resulted in 6,000 gram per ton, and also these are 10 kg, 9,900 gram, which is like 10 kg, and 8.79 gram per ton gold. So it's a huge. When I have other companies, I think there was one company which I can't recall the name, but yeah, very high grade project. But this one seems to be like very promising. The chart I can get is from 7th June 2021, when it was trading at $1.50 was the opening price, and then $1.90 was the highest. It went in June, on the week of June 7th 2021. So the highest it went was $1.90. And now it's trading at the last close was, it was like 16.5 cents. If we check the daily chart, it closed at 16.5 cents. So from its price of last bull cycle, it was like $2 and now 16 cents. So it has went down by 90%. Because during this silver bear market, I posted a video. Last video I posted was the analysis by David Hunter. He is very optimistic that the silver prices are going to be turning around soon, and silver mining stocks, silver miners will also be following the same pattern as silver. And when it happens, like in bear market, when silver goes down, it goes, it's like, because it's leveraged. Silver mining stocks are leveraged to the silver price, so the action is extreme in both directions. So when silver is going down, the miners will go down, will crash more than then. So let's say when silver last year, like the peak price was like around $28-29. So now it's like $22. But if you see the miners, so this was like 10 times, it's like 90% down. Most of the miners are 50%, at least 50 to 90% down. So this is happens. So what I'm trying to tell, when it opposite happens, when silver start going up, they will do the opposite. So when, let's say, if silver goes up by 100%, okay, so the miners will go by 1000%. Like, it's like that. You will find a lot of miners that will do the same. And even the companies that not actively involved in any exploration work, and but because they are in this sector, they also benefit. What I'm trying to say, even the bad companies benefit, but our goal is to pick the stocks from good companies so we can benefit the most. Tier Silver, this is one company that is showing like 90% down. It's like close to 90%. It's lower than its peak price in 2021. So it looks to be seems to be a very promising project. Okay, so I'm just talking in terms of grades. Okay, so they are continuously working, they are actively working on their projects. Okay, we can see from the news releases. I'm not going into the details of each and every news release, but I'll do it at a later time. But for now, it was just like a quick review of tier 1 resources. So so this year what they are doing, they're mainly focused on they're not doing much work in 2023. The whole year is mostly obtaining financing, and they have successfully secured financing. Their financials are looking good. But I think as soon as these companies start seeing rise in silver price, I'm sure you will see a lot of results coming out. So what I think that maybe all these silver companies, they keep all their good drilling results and they wait for the right time to publish those results. So we will see. But when this silver price turns around and it just enters in this, clears its resistance, and these companies will just like start popping up. It's like popcorn. They will all just pop up, the price one after another. So the whole sector will be like, doing very good. I would say it will be a great addition to your portfolio. And again, I would say that this is what I also follow, that just don't invest all your money in one stock. Okay, that's what I do. I mean, a lot. I have heard some stories that people will just put all their money in one, but I think that's a risky thing. So that's why I do is like just diversify my portfolio. So I have actually high grade projects too, and not this one, but there are other high grade silver projects that I am invested in. And then also the mention in my post, like low like the lowest price silver stocks that I have mentioned in my videos and blog post too. So it's like I would not say just put in one company. So it has to be diversified. Like the portfolio should have like some producers, some high grade projects, some like very early stage explorers, all these kind of things. And and then when the silver bull run starts, it will eventually benefit. So some will be going way higher. I mean, like the one that are micro cap, like penny stocks, which are like in the lower price range, okay, or low market cap companies, they will give huge returns. But again, it's not advisable to just put all your savings in just one company. So you have to find at least I would say, depending on the budget,